Hi there, I'm Liam, and welcome to Fynlo. In this video, I'll show you how to create a journal entry to fix a wrong transaction. For example, when an expense is accidentally recorded under the wrong account. Start by going to the sidebar. Click on Accounting, then select Journal Entry. Once the page loads, click the New JE Normal to create a new entry. Now you're on the journal entry screen. First, review the journal entry number, which is auto-generated. Next, set the correct journal date, especially if you're fixing a past transaction. Also, confirm your currency if needed. Let's fix the mistake. Suppose an office expense was accidentally recorded under bank. Select bank in the account field, choose credit, and enter the amount. This removes the incorrect entry from your books. Select office expenses, choose debit, and enter the same amount. Remember, total debits must equal total credits. Before saving, add a short description like, Correction, office expense recorded under bank. Then click Save. And that's it! You've successfully fixed a transaction using a journal entry, keeping your records accurate and your reports reliable.